welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because we have a very happy and great return. Do you remember my friend Dodò? I call him Dodò, the other young guys call him Dodo. I prefer Dodò. For the one who doesn't know, Dodò is a very good driver. He used RC cars 2 times for about half an hour. And today is the 3rd time, and I want to show you how a real beginner can handle a very good car, Traxxas Slash. I found this car very durable, fantastic, quick. It's a brushless one, 4-wheel drive, very easy to drive. I recommend this car for the beginner. If you want a good car, buy this. And now enjoy Dodo at Drive. Comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. That man. Dodò! Dodò, say hi.
Ciao!
The circuit is very narrow and it's not easy to drive. I think you notice that this part of the turns is grass. I made this because when it rains, the water wash away this part. With the grass it remains, and cars has no problem to go on grass. The Slash is fantastic. If you want a very good and quite low priced car, you have to buy this. If you are a beginner, this 4-wheel drive is perfect. Very durable, easy to drive, perfect, no electronic problems. And also a beginner like my friend Dodo is able to have fun. Look what he is going to do. Whoa. And the track is so dry and slippery. It's very difficult to drive on this. I think he has a great control. He managed the throttle perfectly. wow, wow, wow! Fantastico! No problem if you have some accident. Whoa!
Prenderà larghissima quella.
If you don't understand some words, remember we are Italian. Hips. Back. Okay. Very lucky. Vieni qui un attimo. Vieni qua un attimo. I had a little accident, not I, Dodo had a little accident. A screw in the rear drive shaft was gone, so we repaired with another kind of screw, but it works very well. Now the car is again four-wheel drive. Before it was two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive. The problem is that if you want to go too fast, you drive always on off, it's not good. Dodo drives very well. Now the driver is changed. Manage better with the throttle. Yes, with Mr. Dodo, I say you goodbye. Comment, like and subscribe, and remember, if you are a beginner, buy this car, it's fantastic. Ciao!